In my previous video, I shared how my mini excavator didn't quite survive being left outside during the winter. After being exposed to rain and snow, it started to develop rust all over the body, and I also couldn't get the engine to start. Initially, I thought it was just a battery issue, but after charging it, I realized I had a much bigger problem, especially when I saw condensation inside the spark plug well and noticed water dripping from the exhaust. I spent about 5 minutes staring at the engine, mentally preparing for the worst-case scenario, before deciding to remove the spark plug. Using a heat gun, I dried the spark plug as best I could. Then, I used the same heat gun to blow hot air into the spark plug well. I did this for 2 minutes at a time, stopping for 2 minutes to let it cool off in between. I repeated this process 3 times, and during that time, I could clearly see water vapor coming from the hole. Once the vapor stopped, I moved onto the exhaust, shaking it to drain out any remaining water and blowing hot air through it as well. I had the heat gun set to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it got so hot that I had to use a towel to hold it. After everything had cooled down, I used a vacuum to remove any debris that might have made its way into the spark plug well or the exhaust system. Now, the moment of truth. It actually started on the first crank. Crisis averted, for now. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing some tips and things I wish I knew before buying the mini excavator. I'll be doing an engine oil change, a hydraulic oil change, and greasing all the hydraulics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.